Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account, so changes will apply system-wide. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users to view linked family members. This is where Microsoft Family features live. Once done, select the specific family member you want to remove and click Manage Family Settings online if prompted, because some controls require the Microsoft website. Make sure to pause before confirming removal so you can review any shared screen time, content filters, or subscriptions. Next, actually remove the account and disable the features that keep restrictions active. In the Web Family settings, choose Remove from Family, then Confirm. This detaches parental controls. Back in Settings, turn off activity reporting, screen time limits, and content filters so the device stops enforcing rules. Make sure to sign the removed user out of each device, Xbox, and Microsoft apps like Office, otherwise they may retain some restrictions. Once done, verify the account no longer appears under Family and Other Users. To finish, confirm the removal by checking Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users, and the device's local users list to ensure no family ties remain. If things still feel restricted, sign out and sign back in, or restart the PC to apply policy changes. If a family member still shows up, go to Account, Microsoft.com/family, remove them there, and revoke device permissions. Sometimes the web portal clears linked devices better. A final tip: clear cached credentials and reboot if restrictions persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.